Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Buick Encore hood. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely. Then, sit in the driver's seat and look beneath the dashboard, typically to the left of the steering wheel. You will find a small lever, often marked with a car hood icon. Pull this lever firmly towards you. You should hear a distinct pop from the front of the car. After the initial pop, exit your Encore and walk to the front. The hood will be slightly ajar, creating a small gap. Gently lift the hood a few inches with one hand. With your other hand, feel along the underside of the hood's front edge, usually near the center or slightly off-center, to locate the secondary safety latch. This small mechanism prevents the hood from opening fully by accident. Once you locate the secondary latch, you will need to operate it. Depending on your specific Buick Encore model, this small lever or tab might need to be pushed to the right or possibly lifted or pushed down. Gently manipulate it until you feel the hood fully disengage. With the secondary latch released, you can now lift the hood all the way up, providing full access to your engine bay. To keep the hood safely open, find the metal prop rod, usually clipped to the underside of the hood or within the engine bay. Unclip it and insert its end firmly into the designated slot. When finished, remove the prop rod and reclip it. Gently lower the hood to about 6 to 12 inches from closing, then give a firm but gentle push down on the center of the hood until you hear a distinct click, ensuring it is securely latched.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.